In this video you are going to see how to remove the image background to white in Microsoft Word document. Here you will see I have an image and I have the background with the blue color. If I want to change the background, click on the image, go to picture format, go to remove background. Now here you will see I have selected some of the wanted part. So let us click on this option, marks area to keep. Select this area, then this area will be kept, and I want to keep this area, so select it like this. Now click on outside, then here you will see I have successfully removed the background. There is another way. Go to any browser and write here remove BG and go to this website. Go to upload image and upload your image, click on open. Now here you can remove the background very easily. You can download it from here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.